Now let's cancel the base and then equate the powers. So I can have 2 bracket 1 minus n is equals to 3n. Now this is same as 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times minus m is 2m equals 3n. Now rearranging, you have, alright, let's solve for m and n, and then the value of m plus n in this equation. Solution. Okay, we're given 9 raised to power 1 minus m equals 27 raised to power n. Now recall, 9 is 3 raised to power 2. So 9 raised to power 1 minus m will be 3 raised to power 2 or raised to power 1 minus m. Okay, 27 here, 27 raised to power n is equated here. Can have 3 raised to power 2 bracket 1 minus m is equal to 3 raised to power, remember 27 is 3 raised to power 3n. So we have 3 raised to power 3n, okay? Alright, now let's cancel the base and then equate the powers. So I can have 2 bracket 1 minus m is equals to 3n. Now this is same as 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times minus m is 2m equals 3n. Now rearranging, you have minus 2m minus 3m equals to minus 2. So minus 2 crossing equality sign. Now here, let's multiply through by minus 1. You can have 2m plus 3n equals to 2. Let's call it equation 1. Now, from number 2, we have m plus 1 whole number 1 over 2 is equals to n. This is same as m plus 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 over 2 equals to n. Multiply 2 by both sides. Multiply through by 2 to clear the fraction. So I will have 2m plus 3 equals 2n. So let's also arrange it to form this way so that we can have simultaneous equations. We now have 2m minus 2 crossing equality sign, you have minus 2n, minus positive 3 crossing, you have minus 3. So this is our equation 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. Simultaneously. Okay, simultaneously. Alright. We have something like this. We have 2 from 1. We have 2m plus 3n equals 2. This is 1. Then we have 2m minus 2n equals minus 3. This is equation 2. Now, if we put minus sign here, we can eliminate m. So this can go. Here now we have 3n minus minus 2n is equals to this 2 now. Okay? 2 minus minus 3. 2 minus this minus 3. So we can have here 5n is equal to 5. Therefore, n is 5 over 5, which is equals to 1. So the value of n is 1. Okay? So we have n equals 1. So let's substitute to solve for n. So at n equals to 1, from equation 1, we had 2m plus 3n equals to 2. This is our equation 1. Then n is what? 1. So I can have 2n plus 3 brackets the value of n is 1, so this is equal to 2. So that 2m plus 3 is equals to 2. And 2m will be this 2 minus 3. 2m equals 2 minus 3 will give you minus 1. So that m will be this minus 1 divided by 2. So I can now have, therefore, m equals minus 1 over 2 and n equals 1. Good. Now, we're given to find the value of m plus n. This will give us m is what? Minus 1 over 2 plus 1. This is same as 1 minus 1 over 2. So m plus n will give us, our LCM is 2 and the invisible one there. 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 1, we have 2 minus this 1. So we have 1 over 2. Okay? So m plus n is 1 over 2, while m is minus 1 over 2, and n is equal to 1. Okay? Now, let's solve number 2. Example 2, we are given to simplify, find the value of x. If 3 raised to the power 2x minus 4, then minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, we have been solving several examples like this. Solution, given 3 raised to the power 2x minus 4 minus 1 equals 0. Recall that 3 raised to the power 0 is 1, as a raised to the power 0 is also 1, even 100 raised to the power 0 is 1. So we are going to replace this 3, this 1 as 3 raised to the power 0. I can have 3 raised to the power 2x minus 4 minus 3 raised to the power 0 equals to 0. So can we move this to the right hand side? Yes. So that I will now have 3 raised to the power 2x minus 4 is equals to 3 raised to the power 0. From here, we can now eliminate the base and then equate the powers. Equate the powers. So if we should equate the powers, what do we have there? We can have 2x minus 4 is equals to 0. So that 2x is equals to, when this minus 4 crosses, you have positive 4. Can we find x? Yes. Divide by, so divide through by 2. X will be equal to 2x over 2 equals 4 over 2. This can now go, which is what? 2. Okay? So the value of x in this expression, so the value of x in this equation is 2. Alright, for more on indices, loss, indicial equation, and other examples in exponents, please check my previous lessons. Kindly subscribe, like, and share for more. Alright, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Alright.